What's up, guys? I'm back. So you're probably wondering what this is right here. So this is a 1989 or to 92 Ford YT18H garden tractor. I bought it for $50. So all those wires are redone. I'm just organizing them right now. When I got it, the wires completely started on fire. There was no wires left, and the solenoid was bad. So I replaced all the wires, replaced the solenoid. So got it to crank. It starts with gas poured in the intake. So that means, and I'm gonna clean the carburetor out, and I'm gonna get this thing running. But we're gonna pretty much be doing a restoration project on this, because you can see the deck is in really bad shape, and actually the whole thing's in pretty bad shape. But this is gonna be the next project on this channel, and it's gonna be good. So in this episode, we're gonna get it running and get all the stuff working. All right, so lawnmower has a opposed twin Kohler Magnum 18, which I'm guessing is a pretty good motor because it's a Kohler, but it's missing an air filter. I'm gonna have to buy that. And when I get it running, I'm definitely gonna have to change the oil and the oil filter. The oil filter is pretty bad. It looks like it's leaking a bit, and it's so, I can loosen it with my hand. See all the oil that drains out of there. Okay, I guess I can't right now, but I did yesterday. So either way, I'm gonna be changing that, changing the oil, getting it running, painting it all up. It's gonna be pretty. So like I said earlier, getting the engine running today. All right, guys, got the carburetor off. It's a pretty good sized carburetor, and it reeks of really old gas. So I'm guessing there's gonna be some big plugs up in it. So I'm gonna pop off the bowl. We're gonna have a look. Yeah, there's some junk in here, and the jet looks like it's a little off center, which might be an issue, but as you can see, there's a lot of junk in there, mixed with the gas we put in here to try to get it to pop over, which it did. So it's gonna run. Okay, we'll take out the float and the needle. Oops, there's the float bowl, looking all right. There's the needle looks surprisingly okay too. It's pretty small, but there it is. So here's the carburetor. I'll take out the screws. Let's make sure, let's see how much. One. Okay, it's pretty much one turn in, so when I start it up, I'll have to adjust that again. So don't forget about that. Let me get that out of there, sorry guys. The screws look all right. They're a little sharp, but I think it's gonna be okay. It better be okay, because I don't want to buy a new carburetor for this. Okay, this one can probably stay in there. This one I'll take out. No, that one might, yeah, that one will stay in there. Well, our bowl gasket seems to have broken, which sucks, but we're gonna try to put it on there and hope it doesn't leak, because I want to see if I can get it started today. But if it leaks, I'll buy another one of those. But it looks like we have a little issue with the jet here.
It's like off center. But there's some junk in here. Actually, I'm gonna take this around. But, okay. But I'm gonna take air and blow it all out. I'm gonna clean up the parts, clean up the carburetor, and hopefully she'll run after that. But there also is an issue, it might not be getting fuel through the line. So I'm gonna have to address that too. The fuel pump might need rebuilt, might need cleaned out. So I'm gonna go blow this out with air
Here's the setup. It comes in there, and then it comes from out here, and obviously there's no gas in there. So I'm gonna have to see if I can get it to come out. It really does look fine. This gasket might, yeah, it should be working. I don't know what's going on. So we're gonna put it together, and I'm gonna try to start it with the carburetor clean. So that could have been the problem. So, all right, I get started. I believe this fuel line is plugged, and it's got this nasty black stuff coming out of it. So I'm gonna have to replace at least this fuel line, but eventually I'm gonna have to replace all the fuel lines. So I'm gonna get that taken, put back together. Really hoping that it's gonna start up now. So I'll start it up, see if it starts. And I got the deck off, but that's a different story. So we got it to run, holding the tank of gas above it. So, and I've established that the fuel pump's broken. And because the new mechanical fuel pumps are a lot more expensive, I ordered an electric one and new fuel lines and new fuel filters. So when that comes, I'll be back. Guys, so we're back again. So I got the fuel pump all hooked up, came in the mail. That's a mess. So I've got it running from the carburetor to the fuel filter to the fuel pump, which is right to this switch. It's out of gas though. And I have a video of it running to play for you guys after this because I couldn't film it. I was starting it because, you know, it's hard. So I'm getting the gas tank bolted back up. See, the blades are off. I'm working on the deck. So, okay.